Assalamualaikum. In this video, we learn how to download and install WordPress on Windows 10 machine on Wamp server. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you don't have Wamp server installed on your machine, you have to follow this video. I have dropped the link in the description of the video. How to download and install Wamp server on Windows 10. So after installing the Wamp server, you have to follow back the current video. So first of all, we have to download the WordPress from the official site of the WordPress, wordpress.org. Download. I will drop the link of this website in the description video, and you have to download from here. I already downloaded it for the time saving. Okay, let's go to the download folder. So here you have to extract the WordPress file first. Uh, time. After that, you have just copy WordPress folder your web server www directory. So after extract, you have just you just need to copy WordPress file, and you have to go to your web server installation, any of the server you are using, and you have to go to your www and just get it. Yeah. Just take a little time. I'm pausing video here till it's complete. So after completion the copy of the WordPress folder directory into www in Wamp, we just need to open the browser and type here localhost and WordPress. You can name it any thing. If you want to change, you have to rename the directory and then use the same name here. So you have to select the language. I go with English. Now we need this thing: database name, username, and host, and this. So first we have to create database for that. Localhost phpMyAdmin. My username is root and my password is password. So I will create a DB with the name of logs. So we use the same details here. Let's go. DB database name, logs, username root, password, localhost, and the same, and submit. Now run the installation. So after that, we will set up YouTube demo, site name, the username admin, and the password. Sam will use Sam. admin@gmail.com. Copy the password and install. So okay, install. So our username is admin here, and the password we have set up. So our WordPress is installed successfully on our localhost machine on Wamp. So if you have any curious suggestion, feel free to comment below. If you have any issue regarding WordPress or PHP or any of the custom languages, you can share here. We'll try our best to help you out. Thanks.